Hey YouTube world, Trev here from Monthly Missions. I was just winding down one night and I thought I'd give an Airbnb tour. This is my newest tour, or this is my newest Airbnb after getting kicked out of the other one for simply asking for toilet paper and what else? Oh, the heat turned up or an extra blanket. He thought I was being too demanding and he demanded that I leave. So this is my next Airbnb in Edmonton. And yeah, just thought I'd give a tour. There's nobody around. This is my room, for starters. Yeah. Nice big closet, laundry basket. This is what I have set up. Put my phone in that thing. I ordered it from Amazon and it's just amazing. I had it in the Maserati and I was recording where I was going and stuff, and the stabilization in this stabilization in this phone is absolutely remarkable. I put my phone in that thing and recorded driving around Niagara Falls, and it stabilized. You could tell the picture was absolutely still, but everything around it was bouncing. You'll have to see it. You'll have to check out my Niagara Falls videos. But this thing worked at me. Now I have it hooked up. I gotta just lay in bed and watch a bit of YouTube on my phone. But anyways, yeah, this is my room. Out here. I don't trust these electronic doors. Leave mine open. Here's the washroom. It's neat. The light comes on as you enter. Another one of these electronic lights. It heats up so it doesn't steam up. Hey, YouTube world. Anyways, here's the washroom. It's clean, super clean, but it's strange. It has a bidet, okay, a bidet. But then I was going, I'm the one who unrolled it, by the way. But I was going, where the heck's the toilet paper? Where's the toilet paper? And yeah, I found it in this thing. But I'm the one who unrolled it to be able to use it later if need be. But it was all like hidden up. I didn't understand what that was. Like I saw the bidet, but then I didn't see the toilet paper. It was all hidden up inside, and then I had to pull it down. And yeah, anyways. This place is nice. So, just out of habit, I turned it off, but it's all automated. Another room there. That's my room. Another room there. So I can't remember what part of Edmonton this is in, but anyways, check this out. Really nice living space. Front door, light comes on. Again, you come outside, the light comes on. They definitely have a balcony up there off the one room. But yeah, this is the beginning of February 2026 in Edmonton. There's not too much snow here. It's about +7 out. Really mild right now. and that'll go out on its own. But yeah, I like this living room setup. Looks like that's their private dwelling. Real nice kitchen setup here. Things here and there, but mostly all empty. I like this range hood. Looks like storage, no entry back there, but fridge. Oh yeah, the fridge is all pretty much empty. A couple things and then for the neighbors. Excuse me, a couple things for the neighbors. The guy in the opposite room, he has a couple things in the freezer, but nothing weird. But yeah, that's it. So this is Trev just winding down for monthly missions. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody's support. My followers, my subscribers are growing, and I'm just amazed and impressed. Thank you very much, everybody, for everybody's support. Thanks from Canada. Thanks from Monthly Missions in Canada. Take care, you guys.